Listen carefully, my dear students. The 9th class students are going to define the meaning of success and to explain the meaning of success. So first, I would like to call Miss Zubia is coming to define success. Clap for a lot.
The honorable teacher and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to talk about very important topic, and also this topic is very close to my heart. Its name is success. Dear friends, do you know what is success? Allah says in Quran Kareem, فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. After every hardship there is. Success is the beautiful reflection of hard work. Success is the completion of satisfies of our goal. One important key to success is self-confidence. Self-confidence is the foundation of all great success and achievements. Success is patience and hard work is the key to success. Success is not achieved by winning all the time. Real success comes when we rise after we fall. Success lies in one's ability to learn from mistakes. Learn from every mistake, because every experience, encounter and particularly your mistakes are there to teach you and force you into being more who you are. To get successful in your life, most importantly, you need to set your objectives. Those things which will help you to making progress. Add positivity to your everyday life. 7 secrets of success. We found them in our room. Roof said, aim high. Fan said, be cool. Clock said, every minute is precaution. Mirror said, reflect before you act. Window said, see the world. Calendar said, be up to date. And door said, push hard to achieve your goal. Success will not achieve by success, and you will never achieve real success unless you like what you are doing. Success doesn't have any course of events. For example, it doesn't make a difference in what you were in the past. It's important in what you are in present. Being successful is not always as same as being on top or the first position. Success is not a destination. Success is a journey. I want to take my place with this stanza. नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तो शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में. थैंक यू सो मच.
Very nice. Who is coming? Mr. Dayan from 9th class. Clap for him.
In the name of Allah, respected teachers and my brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. I am here to talk and say something about success. So first of all, what is mean by success? We all of us knows the meaning of success. That is in Urdu Kamyabi, in Marathi Yash. But the meaning of success changes one person to another. Success requires the hard work and determination in life for achieving the goals in life. Success is not like you earn the money and become a millionaire and billionaire. It also depends on our personality, our values and morals than the particular person successful in life. Thank you.
The next who is coming? Mr. Saqib. Clap for him lot.
Hello friend, my name is Shakib Shah. I want to present to you a speech on success. Success is the goal of our life. Further education given by teacher can be our success. Our parents are involved in our success. Success is very important. Get success in our life. Success comes from hard work. We must work hard.
Very nice. Clap for him lot. Next is coming Aisha. Clap for her lot.
Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Siddiqa. Today I am telling you something on success. What is success? Success is the goal of everyone's life. Can achieve success in life without hard work. Everyone in this world has some dream or goal to achieve which he works. Sincerely, it is a goal thing about some goal in our life.
शाबाश. क्लियर फॉर बहुत अच्छा बोले. वेरी गुड. चलिए, Miss Masira is coming to appreciate the 9th class students. Clap for a lot.
by seeing wonderful speech of 9th class, and I really appreciate those all students who mustered up courage and came here, because it takes lots of courage to came here and say some words. And thanks for showing us what is success. And those all students who those all students who didn't come here, just they were seeing and sitting. I want to say them that if you can't give long speech, then you should just muster up courage and came here and say some words. And I also want to say something about success, which Shan sir always used to say. So we all want success in our life, but do we know which pupil success want? Those people who work hard, or those people who hardly work? Obviously, those people who work hard. So work hard, then you don't need to get success. Success will get you.
MashaAllah, very brilliant manner she told about the success. Mr. Rashid is coming to appreciate the 9th class students. Clap for him, Lord.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I want to thank to Shanta because he made me able to speak English. And thanks for all students for giving a gorgeous speech on the basis of success. And you have all come in the vicinity of my heart. It will be not an exaggeration to say that I saw a lot of a plethora of confidence in you. And it seems to me that you will become a good speaker of English, and even your hard work is showing that you will become a good speaker of English. And although you are very little, but your thoughts is very big. And thanks for all students for make me know what is success. And again, I merely want to say that thank you.
MashaAllah. How beautifully told. Miss Zubia is coming to appreciate the 9th class students. Clap for her lot.
Everyone's speech was really good, but I liked Zubia's speech. You explained the concept of success in very nice way. You expressed the thoughts. I really liked your presentations. Thank you.
Very nice.